everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you're joining me today. We've got an awesome video all about gut health. What you're gonna learn from this video is how your gut health can actually affect so many different areas of your life, and I'm gonna give you some tips on how you can make yours better. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button and definitely hit the bell notification so you never miss a new video from me, and also give this video a quick thumbs up if you enjoy it. My name is Hart. I'm a mindset and weight loss coach. I work with women and men every single day, teaching them how to clear their negative beliefs around weight loss and dieting and just get to their goals for good. But let's talk about your gut health. So our guts contain trillions of bacteria, trillions. And depending on how much good bacteria and bad bacteria you have in your gut right now, you could be experiencing a number of issues if there's too much bad bacteria. Issues like acne, eczema, mental health issues. If you're feeling down a lot, if you're feeling like you're depressed a lot, that could be a gut health issue. Same thing with low immunity. If you feel like you're getting sick all the time, that could be from it too. Also, bloating, especially for me, after I would eat any meal of the day, I feel like I used to get the worst stomach pains and it would be terrible, along with bloating. And also too, weight loss. If you're doing everything in your power to lose weight, if you're working out, if you have a really good diet, if you're sticking to your plan and you're still not losing weight, it could be from your gut health and bad bacteria. So in the past, I've had a lot of gut issues and I've managed to pretty much get them all under control, all from following these 5 tips. So let's get on into tip number 1. Number 1 is definitely fasting. So if you guys have been following me for a while, I am such a big proponent of intermittent fasting. For me personally, it works amazing. I'm not one of those people who can wake up and have breakfast. So what I did is I started pushing my meals back further and further. And now I eat around 12:30 every day. And I break my fast with lunch. I love just having black iced coffee in the morning. That's just enough to put something in my stomach, keep me a little full, and carry me into lunch. With fasting, it just allows your body time to digest. And when you give your body that extra couple hours, it literally makes such a big difference. So if you're able to start fasting, I would highly recommend it and see how you feel. So tip number 2 is actually getting a gut health test done. This video is sponsored by Thryves, and I couldn't be happier because this gut health test gave me so much information and it was so easy to use. So the test ships right to your door. Like I said, so easy to use. You just collect your sample, you mail it back, and then you register your kit online, and then before you know it, you're getting your results in. Once your results are in, you'll get a detailed breakdown of all of your gut bacteria, and my favorite part was the food list. You get a food list for all of the foods that you should avoid, and then also foods that you should eat more of. This really opened my eyes so much. And actually, some of my favorite foods were on the avoid list, but I'm telling you, once I followed this and started making my meal plan more around the foods that I should eat more of, my gut was happier and happier. I felt that the food list was like the missing link. You'll see in my other tips, those are things I implemented right away, but my foods were what was holding me back. And now my gut, I can say, is happier than ever. Thryve will also create a personalized probiotic based on your results. So this is a probiotic that is tailored just for you. It's not one that you just buy at the grocery store. This is made for you based on your results. So Thryve is actually giving my subscribers 70% off their gut health test. That's amazing. So all you're gonna do is go to trythryve.com/pieceofheart, and I will have that link down in the description box. Click that link, get 70% off of your gut health test, and get some answers on the state of your gut right now. Thank you to Thryve for sponsoring this video. Tip number 3, water. You guys, I've been preaching water like crazy. If you've been following me, you know I drink 120 ounces of just water a day, and it is so amazing for your entire body, including your gut. So water actually works with your stomach acid to break down your food, which in turn helps your body absorb the nutrients in the food that you're eating. And it also has a really great positive effect on the lining of your intestines. If you are not a fan of plain water, which I know a lot of people are, I get that all the time, I would encourage you to find something that you can drink a lot of. So I love also sparkling waters. You could also flavor your water with fruit. You could just infuse it with fruit, do some lemon, and Also, if you do like water but you find it hard to drink during the day, I highly recommend getting an awesome water bottle. You can get this one off of Amazon. It tells you exactly how much water you should be drinking by a certain time of the day so that you keep on track and you drink all the water that you need to. Water is just so good for your overall health, including your gut health, so you should definitely be drinking at least half of your body weight in ounces every single day. Tip number 4, sleep. I know you might not be thinking that this is important for your gut health, but let me assure you, it is. You should be getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night, and that is so that your body has that resting period. Just like fasting helps your body digest food, you also need to give your body a break and rest. And just like anything else, if you're finding that you're not getting close at all to the amount of sleep that you want to get, try to increase that a little bit each day. It doesn't have to be all or nothing in anything in life, especially with your health and diet and weight loss and things like that. If you're finding something feels intimidating or daunting, like you don't know how you're going to get that much sleep in a night, just do it slowly. Aim to get a little more sleep every single night. Same thing with water. If you're having trouble drinking it, aim to drink a little bit more each day until you get to your goal. So finally, number 5. Number 5 is really important because when you've got stress in your life, you're emitting these stress hormones. That can affect your gut so much. So what we want to do is try to lower your stress levels every day. And I know you might be thinking like, well, I've got a stressful life. Well, you can control a lot of things in your life, and stress is definitely one of them. How I like to combat stress, my number one thing is to get out into nature and take a walk. If you guys have seen my walking for weight loss video, I basically walked my way to weight loss because I hate exercising. So walking I could get behind. Walking out in nature is immediately going to lower your stress hormone. Highly encourage you to get out there and do that. You can go to a local park, you can go into your neighborhood, you could take a little drive a little bit to get somewhere nice where you can get outside into nature and take a walk. You could also go on your treadmill and put on like a beach walk on YouTube and just pretend you're there. That's also an option too. Getting those steps and getting your body moving is the most important part. And a lot of people might overlook this, but just laughing. How many times a day do we laugh as little kids? Probably all day long. But then once we get to be adults, we like forget to laugh sometimes. I know I do that all the time. I'll go through the whole day. Luckily I have little kids, so they make me laugh a lot. But sometimes I'll be like, oh my gosh, like, I need to smile. And just by doing that, just by being conscious of it, by laughing and smiling, it will literally put you in a better mood. You can't be mad and smiling and laughing at the same time. It's just not possible. So put on a little comedy, you know, go on YouTube and find a funny little skit to watch. Talk to a friend who always makes you laugh. You know, little things like that. Just be conscious of it. And that will also lower your stress hormone, which will in turn help your gut. You could also do yoga or meditate. These are have really become an important part of my life. Not so much yoga, but definitely meditating and journaling and just taking that time to just relax. Mentally relax, get my thoughts out, and just take breaths. It's just so important that we take that little bit of me time, and it doesn't have to be an hour. It can literally be 5 or 10 minutes, and everybody has 5 or 10 minutes. I also love essential oils. You see them in almost every one of my videos. I just really love calming scents like lavender and orange and peppermint. There's just so many great scents that you can use to help calm your mind, calm your body, and I actually swear by them every day of my life. So I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to use my code to get 70% off your gut health test. Get the answers that you need. It definitely opened my eyes to specifically the foods that I was eating and what I could change to make my gut even happier. Thank you to Thryve for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys liked this one. Definitely thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you really soon with a new video. Bye everybody.